Hello guys, RelzahArts here, and basically I'm going to be making the first tutorial in Cinema 4D. It's just going to be on the basics of Cinema 4D. I got the idea of this. A few friends want to start doing GFX or trying it out, and they want me to make a tutorial on like the basics of Cinema 4D. And I need to get tutorials on my channel, so here we go. Basically the main thing people use is just text, basically. But first I'm going to go through the output settings. Most of the time you'll get like Lightroom templates, and then all you need to do is change the text or whatever. But anyway, I'll go for it. So width, you want it, I always have it 1280 as the width and 720 as the height. And you don't really need to change much. This needs to be PNG. I'm not sure if that is meant to be text. I think it is anyway. And basically this is where your thing gets saved, and I've made a folder to where I render stuff in. Okay, basically to add in text you want to go more graph at the top and then more text. So yeah, anyway, we'll go for the buttons. You see these, the three buttons at the top. The one on the left will be to go like left, right, up, down. One in the middle is to like zoom in, zoom out, go forward, backwards, and the one on the right is to like rotate around. So yeah, now you know what them three do, so you can move around the Cinema 4D more easy anyway. And basically the three buttons at the top. This one is to get into all this render settings and stuff. The middle one is to actually render your text, render whatever it is, and the one on the left, it like preview renders it. Okay, so we'll just change the text to test or whatever, and to make it thicker, you want to just go on to, I think it's, let me find it now. In fact, no, what am I doing? Anyway, it's depth you want to change. You want to change it up, so just go on the arrows and just drag it up. And that clearly makes it bigger, but you don't want it that big, that's just ridiculous. Okay. And at the bottom here, if you double click, you get to create a new material, and basically you can put this on different layers. So I'm going to just make a light blue. And what you can do to add different effects of reflection. I like to turn this down to about 15% maybe, yeah. And you can just mess around with other settings, whatever. Okay, and then just drag it on, and clearly it's a different colour. You can also, I don't know if most people have these, but you can load materials, and you got different materials here. I just picked a random one that doesn't look nice. Whatever. So what you want to do, also these, you want to, you just click it, and then this. Basically these, they do different things. So yeah, and then this, that one there, that one's to rotate the text or whatever. Okay. Also, you can add a caps to your text, which, as you can see, what's that little border around it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna render this. In fact, I'll make it say Relza. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna render this out. As you can see there, it's rendering the text, and after that, you should get it up, and then yeah, you want to go locate where you've put it. It should be right here. Okay, and you just open that up, and it doesn't look too bad. It clearly does, but whatever. If you get a like a Lightroom, you get to render it better. As you can see, look at that. That's adding a different thing that is rendered perfectly. I'm not allowed to give out that Lightroom, but I will give out another Lightroom in my GFX pack. So I'm not sure what else there is to do in the base. Well, you can add these shapes, whatever. You can add lights to it. Yeah, I'm not sure what else there is to cover in Cinema 4D. No, I don't think there is what I use anyway, so yeah, that's basically how you render text, and you just learn the basics of Cinema 4D really. For the like text menu or whatever. So I'm not sure what else there is to say. So if you are starting GFX, you will need Cinema 4D for 3D objects and whatever. But yeah, that is all you'll need for the basic of it. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this has helped. Hope you can get started with GFX or whatever now. So yeah, thank you.